I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action Dokan. Connect to the Dokan. Dokan connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. I am choosing to create a new vendor. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in Actions and Conditional Logic. You can use them for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Dokan dashboard. Then navigate to the vendor. You can see that the new vendor has been successfully added in Dokan. Thanks for watching.